Multiply 3,342 by 24 using long multiplication. Start with the ones digit, 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 4 is 16. Put 6 in this column and carry 1. 4 times 3 plus the carried 1 is 13. Put 3 in this column and carry 1. 4 times 3 plus the carried 1 is 13. The first partial product is 13,368. Now use the tens digit, 2. Start one place to the left. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 3 is 6. The second partial product is 66,840. Now add the partial products, working from right to left. In the ones column, 8 plus 0 is 8. In the tens column, 6 plus 4 is 10. Put 0 in this column and carry 1. In the hundreds column, 3 plus 8 plus the carried 1 is 12. Put 2 in this column and carry 1. In the thousands column, 3 plus 6 plus the carried 1 is 10. Put 0 in this column and carry 1. In the 10,000s column, 1 plus 6 plus the carried 1 is 8. The product of the whole numbers is 80,208. So 3,342 times 24 is 80,208.